I guess not. Oh, okay. I don't know if it's left here or we keep going. Hey, better. Alright. Huh?
Yeah. Boo! Oh yeah. I need healing.
Get off your bike.
1920. No, 1983. Alright, ready?
So, here is right there, so I don't know where we can put our bikes.
Hey, look, a bathroom. A bathroom. Any luck today? Ah.
I just take off my shirt.
I just might.
Dolphin are on one side of the boat. The side closest to the boat sits down while the other side can see. Okay? Sweet. We are literally in figures of song. Yeah, there is 2 of them. Cool. And look how close they are to the marsh. We're going to talk about that later on. So let's get these butterflies out. Go ahead and get those dolphin butterflies in. We'll talk about dolphin backs in just a bit. But look, they're super close. These guys like to swim close to shore, which is hence why they're called coastal Atlantic bottlenose dolphin. They like the shallower coastlines. Super close. Now, I'm going to slowly make my way closer. I'll see what I can do. I don't want to be intrusive. So if we don't answer them in the meantime. Right in front, probably going to swim under the boat. Yeah. I'll try to maneuver to where we can still try to see. So they're still here. So we got 2 near the marsh, and then we got that ant onto dolphin. Alrighty, so yeah, just keep kind of looking over on the left-hand side there. So, about 10 pounds of food a day in the summer. In the winter, they gotta eat just a little bit more because they're working very, very hard to keep on the weight. They have a caloric intake of 10,000.